What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Infiniti Smart Key remote fob. This Infiniti key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. The first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will slide out like that, and we can just set that to the side for now. Now, if we hold our fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom, you can see there's kind of these two small notches, one here and one right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch and then just twist like that. So I'm going to get my screwdriver in that notch and then twist. Come over here, same thing, screwdriver in that notch, twist. And as I do that, you can see it's starting to split the shell apart. And then you may need to just work a little more on the side like that. Once you get the two halves of the shell apart, we see our battery right here. And you can use your screwdriver to help you get under the edge of it and get out of that holder. Now we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. And we kind of, you can see right here that my thumb's on, there's this little metal piece. We kind of want to tuck that edge in first. Like that. You can see that edge is kind of going into that metal holder first, and then snap it down into place. And snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.